All right, welcome back. We're still looking at test of R's. All right, we had earlier looked at about two sounds. This time around, we are looking at other sounds that we have in spoken English. And we have what they call sound here. Sound. And we can find in the following words, you can have sound in words with single F and words with double F and words with GH. All right? Then we have examples here under the single F. Here we have from, from. All right? Here we have from. All right? That's single F. Then we have have to, have to. All right? We have that single F. Then we have family, family. All right? Family, single F. All right? Then we have first, first, which is sound. And then we have fire. We have fire. That's sound again for single F. Then we have the two Fs, which is double F. But we have office, 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 office. The next one is earth. Would you ask me why I didn't put this here? All right, under here, because this word is not pronounced as earth, but of. So by way of transcription, you have this here. So it carries the V sound. There is nothing like of you, but it's of you. I've been thinking of you, not of you. All right, of you is not correct. The one that carries the normal pronunciation of F is this or this. Then awful, awful. I have an awful for you. Awful, awful. All right, not offer. All right, awful. All right, because when a word ends in er, it changes to what they call schwa. If a word ends in er or or, it changes to schwa sound, which looks like but it's not All right, pastor, 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 not pastor, pastor, teacher, teacher, all right? My sister, father, brother, mother, all right? So you don't say offer. You don't say offer, it's offer. Then we have the last one here, which is suffering. Suffering, all right? Suffering. You suffer, not suffer. Suffer, all right? So that's that. Then we now look at the GH that sounds, all right? So here we have love, love, love. There is no way you can pronounce the GH with the normal pronunciation, which is he or he, all right? It is rough, laugh, laughter, laughter, laughter. Then we have this one here, enough, 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 all right? Sound GH. Then we have cough, 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 all right? So that's that for this. So we are going to look at transcription subsequently, so you know how to connect all these letters alongside, the various sounds. Then we have this here. This is not G. We don't call it G. We call it G. This is G sound. G sound. The one that you call G, this is how it is written. All right? This is G. All right? So if you see sound like this, we call it G. All right? So that's how it is. Okay? Yeah. So we look at G sound. Under here, that means in all of the words you are going to be pronouncing, all right? There must be G as a sound pronounced right. All right? Here we have grain, 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 grain. Did you hear anything like during here? No. So there is no G sound here. It is strictly G. So we have green. All right? Green. That means age cannot fall under this. Although it has this, but it can never fall under this. It can only fall under this consonant sound. Age. So by transcription now, I can have something like this. Age. All right? Yes, so that's how it is. So we are green. Agree, not agree. All right? Whenever A is found like this, beginning word like agree, or away, or about, or account, they are sure sounds. So you don't pronounce them like a. They look like air, but not air. You withdraw your air in the course of trying to end the air. So you have a word like agree, away, take it away. All right. You have a word like, about. What are you talking about? Not what are you talking about or about. What are you talking about? What are you talking? Ting dong. That's it. What are you talking? Ting dong. Because the first sound is unstressed. All right. While the second one is stressed. Then we have agog. 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 All right. After agree here, we have what? Agog. Then we have the ones that have GG double sounds. Aggressive. Aggressive. All right. So you have double G here. Then aggrandizement. Aggrandizement. All right. Not meant. Months. Months. That's why they will tell you moments, not moments. Moments. Because if you are transcribing, it tends to follow the schwa sound. All right. And schwa does not want e to take its, entire, pronunciation. All right. So that's that. In our next video or class, we'll look at the other, phonetic sounds that we have.